Hare Krishna, please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. My name is Malini Priti Devi Dasi from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I was requested by Satya Raj Vasu Prabhu from ISKCON Chennai to share my book distribution experiences and tips and what did I do during the Prabhupada Marathon 2020. This is so to encourage participation in book distribution activities by devotees across Malaysia. So I hope that all the other book distributors would also share their experiences, and this would encourage, and there would be a massive explosion of distribution of Srila Prabhupada's books across Malaysia. Jai Srila Prabhupada. All glories to my spiritual master, His Holiness Jai Putaka Swami Srila Guru Maharaj. It is because of His mercy that I'm experiencing all this transcendental bliss in Sankirtan activities. When I was much younger, I used to participate in all the Sankirtan activities organized in the temple, Thaipusam festivals, and I was very much active in youth council. We used to do a lot of book distribution, but then I wanted something more, as you know, I wanted like something that I can think of 24 hours a day. I was praying so much to Srila Prabhupada for that, and in 2018 Srila Guru Maharaj announced that we can do Sankirtan, that in 2018 during Purushottama Masa, Guru Maharaj announced that we can do Sankirtan as one of the preaching activities. So both me and my mom took his words to our heart and soul, and we started doing book distribution activities every weekend. I was working that time, so every weekend at temples, door to door, and on streets, and participate in any programs that is organized by SJM Care. So in any devotional service that we do, we look upon and we take guidance and inspiration from senior devotees, and as such I take inspiration from a very senior disciple of Srila Prabhupada, a world-renowned book distributor, and he's also the BBT trustee and the director of BBT Marketing, Communications and Innovations Department. I take guidance from His Grace Vaisheshika Prabhu. So I join Vaisheshika Prabhu's Zoom programs whenever he has on Sankirtan, and then I ask as much as questions as I can. Recently he organized monthly Sankirtan festivals, that how a temple could organize monthly Sankirtan festival amongst the congregation devotees. Please go to BBT page and you can see the it was a 2 weeks course. So we ask as much as questions as we can, and then I ask as much as questions as I can whenever I participate, and I also view Prabhu's classes on Facebook, and I go to his YouTube links, and I learn so much from Prabhu. And there's a special book that I request everybody to read, which is Our Family Business, which is I recommend everyone to read this book, written by Vaisheshika Prabhu, for those who want to learn how to participate in book distribution activities, or for those who are distributing and they really want to be very enthused on Sankirtan and improve their Sankirtan strategies. Please read Our Family Business. This will surely help you to be very, very enthused in Sankirtan. And there's a very special spiritual uncle, a very kind and gentle-hearted spiritual uncle of mine, His Grace Drumila Prabhu, a senior disciple of Srila Prabhupada. I take guidance from him. He has been distributing Srila Prabhupada's books over 40 years now. So and I'm very thankful for him for helping me in my spiritual life and in all my Sankirtan activities to always keep me enthused. Like this, I follow devotees all over the Facebook, all around the world. What do they do? Whether they are younger to or older to me, and this keep me very energetic and enthused to do Sankirtan activities. So Vaisheshika Prabhu has taught the fundamental principles of doing Sankirtan, which is to have high sadhana, that is to have practice sadhana properly, and also to be your morning programs properly, and to also be regulated, and to also chant your 16 rounds very attentively. And he also said, this is very important because you have to be very serious in your sadhana but be nice to others. Okay, and the other thing that he thought is to pray to Lord Chaitanya very intensely when you do Sankirtan, and to pray to Lord Chaitanya for all the innovative methods that we can do and to improve our Sankirtan activities. And he taught us the mantra that Sankirtan is fun and easy. Book distribution is fun and easy. So if you carry this in your mind and your heart, so whenever even there's challenging times and when you go on Sankirtan, you will not be affected, and you'll be very always encouraged and enthused to do Sankirtan activities. So I would share my experience on two situations. One is on a non-lockdown situation, and one is on a lockdown situation. So on a non-lockdown situation, I go on street Sankirtan, and I do also temples, door to door, markets, and wherever possible, that I can do personal distribution, personal friends and contacts. So what is the basic thing that when we meet somebody and we smile, and that builds a friendship between us and the person. Always have the thing that you want to build a friendship with the person that you're distributing book to, because we are not like ordinary salesmen. We are trying to cultivate them. We are trying to make them, cultivate them in Krishna consciousness. So be very kind, gentle, always smile, and build a friendship with them, and then and speak to them and make a good impression, because we are representing Srila Prabhupada, Vaishnava Acharyas and ISKCON. So we have to build a good reputation with them. So for someone who is not so favorable, we just greet them nicely, Hare Krishna, and it's okay, and we let them go. But the one who is favorable, we build the relationship and we distribute the books to them, and we also take their personal contacts, and we encourage them to come to our temple. When I go on Sankirtan, I have my mantra cards, and I also bring cookies with me, and we distribute prasadam cookies prasadams, because Prabhupada said, if you want to make a friend, give them a cookie. So we give them a cookie, and they feel very touched when we give cookies, prasadam to them. I give them the SJMKL mantra card, and I tell them to come to the temple, and many have come to the temple. So I either carry a bag of books with me, and most times now that is if I go for street, but on most occasions now I display the book. I have a table and I display all my books of different languages. Satyaraj Vasu Prabhu did ask me how did I approach people of different races. Well, the first thing is that we should have books of different languages with us. Our BBT has ordered so many types of different languages. I normally bring books of English, Tamil, Chinese and Indonesian languages. So and we should also try to learn a little of that languages, a language that the other person of a different race speaks in. It's just like when we go to another country, and if somebody tells us it's like apa khabar or terima kasih, and then we get all excited, hey, the guy is speaking Malay. Just like the last time when I distributed book to an Indonesian student, a university student who's studying in Malaysia, and he was so happy to see that there's a book in Indonesian. I distributed an Indonesian Bhagavad Gita to him. So we have to have books of different languages, because some people prefer to read the books in their languages that they can relate to. So Vaisheshika Prabhu thought, the more you show, the more you sell. The more you show, the more you sell. So you just display all these books, and they are all full of colors, and show the paintings of Krishna. Prabhupada said that the paintings are the windows to the spiritual world. People get attracted by the beautiful paintings of Lord Krishna. Children get attracted. It's a heart-to-heart connection. Paramatma is indicating to take the book. So we just do our best, and we do all of this, and we get their contacts. And as soon as we get their contacts, we keep in touch with them, and this will encourage them to take on other books. And we need to ask them how are they doing by reading the books. And I also organize Zoom classes for the ones that I have distributed books to. Those who are interested are interested are participating in these classes, and we try to cultivate them in their Krishna conscious activities. So that is on a non-lockdown basis. On a lockdown basis, I do a lot of Facebook preaching, but I also do this on a non-lockdown basis. If you go to my Facebook and you see, I always post book posts. There's always posts on books, Srila Prabhupada's books. Either it's a code or my book distribution activities or the types of books that we have. So I utilize the social media. Prabhupada told us to use technology and any other methods possible to distribute his books. So use, and there's also online platforms for book distribution. So there are many devotees now who are using these online platforms for sales, book distribution sales. So we use that, and I use the social media platforms, and I also use the personal contacts. It is very important to build the personal contacts, and this will really encourage further book distribution. This is also a personal experience, because in the month of September last year, when BBT organized the Bhadra Purnima campaign all around the world, can you imagine? It was on a lockdown situation, and BBT has this campaign. Bhadra Purnima is for the distribution of Srimad Bhagavatam sets, and BBT set a goal at 10,000 Bhagavatam sets worldwide, and they scored. And when they scored, with the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Lord Chaitanya, they scored 24,000 sets of Srimad Bhagavatam all around the world. ISKCON Malaysia had participated in the program, and both my god brother, His Grace Gokul Damodar Prabhu, who is the BBT manager, and myself, we initiated this Bhadra Purnima campaign, and we had participations from ISKCON Malaysia centers, and ISKCON Malaysia has distributed 121 sets of Srimad Bhagavatam last year on a lockdown basis. So books have been increasing. Distribution of books is increasing in massive during the lockdown, and you can ask this experience from any other book distributors. They would tell you the same. Like this, we also had 3,343 books, Bhagavad Gitas, distributed in the Live to Give campaign that was organized by BBT last year during the Prabhupada Marathon. So during the Prabhupada Marathon, worldwide 2.17 million Bhagavad Gitas were distributed. So like this, book distribution has been increasing during the lockdown. And for the Bhadra Purnima, the 121 sets was the highest sets that Malaysia highest distribution of Srimad Bhagavatam that Malaysia has achieved so far, and it is during the lockdown. So we should use every opportunity that we get, any campaigns that we get, to distribute Srila Prabhupada's books. Like that, we have the Gaur Purnima campaign, Gaur Purnima Book Marathon 2021, that is organized by our ISKCON Malaysia leaders. So please try your best, take advantage and participate in this book distribution program, this Gaur Purnima campaign, and distribute as much as Srila Prabhupada's book. Together with this, BBT has also Be a Gardener, Sow the Seeds of Bhakti, and this is to encourage the distribution of Chaitanya Charitamrita sets. So for devotees who have not got their Chaitanya Charitamrita sets, this is your golden opportunity. Get the Chaitanya Charitamrita sets, and also to give, if you want to give it to your loved ones, you can give it, or you want to give to the devotees with lesser income. This will be a thing that you can do to do Sastradana on Chaitanya Charitamrita sets. Whatever opportunities that we get, whatever a little opportunity that we get to distribute books, please do so. And I really hope that the Gaur Purnima marathon will be very successful for ISKCON Malaysia by the best blessings of Srila Prabhupada, and I hope all devotees would put their heart and soul and participate in this Gaur Purnima marathon. I look forward to it. I'm excited to it. It is actually commencing today on this very auspicious day of Nityananda Trayodasi. So happy Nityananda Trayodasi, and all glories to book distribution activities. All glories to Srila Prabhupada Transcendental Literatures. Take opportunity and do anything that you do, anything that you can do to participate in any book distribution activities. I would also like to, if there any devotees would like to ask me anything on book distribution, I'll be very happy to help. I'm always here to help all of you, and you can find me on the Facebook, and you can find me on I most of you have my numbers, and you can also write to me an email. Please ask me any questions that you like on book distribution. I'll be very happy to help you. Thank you, and I wish everyone happy distributing Srila Prabhupada books throughout the year, throughout our lives, heart and soul book distribution activities always and forever. Jai Srila Prabhupada.